Exploring GitHub Copilot, your iPair programmer. These days, people are talking about OpenAI and Chat, and as a software engineer, I'm always on the lookout for new tools and technologies that can help me become more productive and efficient. That's how I came across the GitHub Copilot. In this video, I'll share my experience using this tool and how it has helped me in my coding journey. My first look. I stumbled upon the GitHub Copilot IntelliJ plugin while exploring Chat and OpenAI. The tool uses AI technology to generate code suggestions based on the context of your code. As a programmer, I was immediately intrigued and decided to give it a try. How to install? Installing the GitHub Copilot IntelliJ plugin was a breeze. All I had to do was install the plugin and log in via GitHub. The setup process was simple and straightforward, and I was up and running in no time. Subscription. The plugin offers a free trial of the first 60 days, after which you need to subscribe to continue using it, which is $10 per month. While the subscription cost may be a concern for some, I believe the benefits it offers are well worth the price. Usage. I decided to put the GitHub Copilot IntelliJ plugin to the test by writing a simple multi-threading call to print odd and even numbers using Java. The tool really helped in generating the code for me, and I was able to complete the task much faster than I would have without it. While the GitHub Copilot IntelliJ plugin is a powerful tool that can generate code suggestions quickly and efficiently, it will not replace the work of a software engineer. Rather, it will make them smarter by providing suggestions and helping to automate certain aspects of the coding process. It is not a substitute for the creativity, problem-solving skills, and critical thinking abilities that are required in software development. In conclusion, my experience using the GitHub Copilot IntelliJ plugin has been positive, and I believe it is a valuable tool for any developer looking to increase their productivity and efficiency. While it may not replace the work of software engineers, it can certainly make their lives easier by providing suggestions and streamlining certain aspects of the coding process. If you haven't tried the GitHub Copilot IntelliJ plugin yet, I highly recommend giving it a try. Who knows, it may just become your new favorite coding tool. If you liked the video, please leave a comment and subscribe for more videos.